Do you know DYK Funky Science? Are you hesitant to get vaccinated with Pfizer or Moderna? Today's topic may be an option for people who want to get vaccinated in a much more familiar way. Novavax recombinant protein-based vaccine is what I have prepared for today. Ready? Let's get it! Unlike mRNA vaccine, protein vaccines have been commercialized before, such as HBV and vaccination for liver disease. The key materials of Novavax vaccine is spike protein. Spike protein is like a hand of a SARS-CoV-2 which is used to infect other cells. In order to produce this spike protein, we need a cell factory. And for this, Novavax vaccine insect cell called SF9 is used. Then we need to have workers who would actually produce the protein. And a worker is a virus called baculovirus which infects insect cell. Scientists manipulated this baculovirus by inserting the gene of S protein. Once this manipulated baculovirus with S protein gene is introduced inside the SF9, it starts replicating using the tools from the cells. While baculovirus is replicated, spike protein is also produced and it will come out on the surface of SF9 cell. And these spike proteins are purified to become the key ingredients of Novavax vaccine. However, purified spike protein cannot induce sufficient immune response, so adjuvant is required to produce sufficient immune response. Adjuvant comes from Latin adjuvat, which means to help. Basically, adjuvant helps to produce antibody. Then you might come across this question. Spike protein is antigen, then why do we need additional adjuvant? Generally, if we get infected by SARS-CoV-2, not only spike protein but also other materials induce immune response. But purified as protein has only the spike protein. Most importantly, if protein is purified, it is likely to be smaller in size compared with the protein actually produced inside the virus. As it is small, it is less likely to be recognized by the immune cell and produce immune response. This is why adjuvant called matrix M, which is a mixture of extract of saponin and cholesterol, is added. Underdeveloped countries were not able to get vaccine from Pfizer or Moderna due to storage issue as it needs to be kept below -70 and -20. However, as this Novavax protein vaccine can be stored in regular fridge temperature and it also has shown high efficacy of 95.6% against wild type, 85.6% against variants from UK, and 60% against that of South Africa, it is likely that this vaccine could be an option to increase the vaccination rate. Can Novavax help humanity to end the war against the pandemics? Hopefully. Funky Science, DYK, huh? Do you know?